The first exercise is where you take any interval. Now, interval is just two notes. So it can be this, could be this, could be that, but whichever one you pick on a given day, take it up the chromatic scale like this,
Okay.
where you move each of the two notes up a half step. And you can do that for at least 10 different intervals over the course of a week.
Okay.
So why don't you just do it for two that you pick arbitrarily right now, and then whatever they are,
Move them up a half step.
yes, so that the distance between the notes never changes. You're going to get to know the topology of the keyboard. You see, it's like if you do this, those aren't the same intervals.
Right.
So you have to get used to how the keyboard has the clumps of 2 and 3 black notes, and that's going to affect your reading as you get better, especially if you know what the chords are. So that's one possibility.
Just, but yeah, it's harder than you think.
Mhm. Speed is not an issue in this. Security is an issue. And since you started with C on the bottom, you can finish when C is on the bottom. So you can do that for upwards of 11 different intervals.
Right.
Some are sort of too simple to bother with, like the octave. Notice white and white, black and white. Now it's going to be white and black, black and white, white and white, black and black. And your job is to see these as being the same, or this and that as being identical on some level. You're looking for their commonality, not their difference.
Okay.
So you might put you're in search of the commonality rather than the difference. Then, if at some future date you learn the names of these intervals, it's going to be trivial because you already know how to play them.